Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Melt your candy melts in a tall glass for chocolate-covered pretzel rods. All you have to do is dip your pretzel into the glass for a perfect coating. You can use any type of sprinkles that you like. Other great topping options include finely chopped nuts, toffee bits, or finely shredded coconut.
Take our lead.
Soft pretzels can be dipped in honey mustard, cream cheese, nacho cheese, ranch dressing, and/or marinara sauce. If you're feeling adventurous, try dipping them in salad dressing, artichoke spinach dip, or even peanut butter and chocolate sauce. Have you ever dipped a soft pretzel into whipped cream? Try it.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Now it's back. Costco is officially carrying Mrs. Printable's 24 chocolate-dipped caramel pretzel rods once again, with plenty of time for you to start stocking up for your hopefully low-key holiday party. However, buying them from the e-commerce giant will set you back $31.83, while at Costco they only cost $12.99.
Take our lead.
The best dark chocolate-covered pretzels, Top 5 Brands 2020. Lita dark chocolate-covered pretzels. Check price on Amazon. Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps Dark Chocolate Crunch. Check price on Amazon. Godiva dark chocolate-covered pretzels. Trader Joe's dark chocolate-covered mini pretzels. Flip's dark chocolate-covered pretzels.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The easiest way is to store them in an airtight container at room temperature. Provided everything is fresh to begin with and the container is clean, dry, and has a tight seal, partially covered pretzel rods like the ones we made can stay fresh for about 2 to 3 weeks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.